During the decade I've been on a carnivore diet, I've tried all kinds of outdoor grills, including two-burner gas grills. I use two-burner grills for cooking two different cuts of meat at the same time when I want to add versatility to my meals. Plus, they are compact and I can fit the gas grill on my small patio. I've tried all kinds of gas grill brands over the years, from Charbroil to Weber. There are many two-burner gas grill to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best two-burner gas grill from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Weber Spirit Two-Burner Liquid Propane Grill. The Weber Spirit IE 210 two-burner liquid propane grill in sleek black is the perfect solution for outdoor cooking enthusiasts with limited space. This compact powerhouse features the innovative GZS4 grilling system, ensuring consistent and efficient heat distribution across its porcelain-anoded cast iron cooking grades. The grill's durability is further enhanced by its porcelain-anoded lid, which houses a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control. Compatible with standard 20 lb LP tanks and equipped with a convenient fuel gauge, this grill offers hassle-free operation. The Spirit IE 210 boasts practical design elements like a fold-down left side table for easy storage, an open cart design for accessibility, and a stainless steel heat deflector for optimal heat management. Grill masters will appreciate the option to add the iGrill 3 accessory, sold separately for smart grilling capabilities. Number 2. Monument Grill's Two-Burner Gas Grill. The Monument Grill's two-burner gas grill is a powerhouse of outdoor cooking performance, featuring two main 304 stainless steel burners that deliver an impressive 24,000 BTU of heat, with a spacious 473 square inches of total cooking area, including 326 square inches of primary cooking space and a 147 square inch warming rack. This grill offers ample room for all your grilling needs. The cast iron cooking grades ensure even heat distribution for perfect results every time, while the enamel flame tamers not only distribute heat evenly, but also enhance flavors. A standout feature is the clear view lid, allowing you to monitor your food without losing heat. The grill's durable construction and thoughtful design make it a reliable choice for backyard chefs. Number 3. American Gourmet Two-Burner Gas Grill. The American Gourmet Two-Burner Gas Grill offers a compact yet powerful grilling solution for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Running on a 20-pound liquid propane tank, not included, this grill quickly reaches and maintains high cooking temperatures with its 20,000 BTU rating, split between two 10,000 BTU ardors. The 280 square inch cooking grate accommodates up to 8 burgers, 4 chicken breasts, or 2 steaks, making it perfect for small gatherings. Featuring porcelain-coated wire grates, the grill ensures fast warm-up and heat recovery while being lightweight and easy to clean. 2 large side shelves provide ample space for plates, tools, and seasonings, enhancing convenience during grilling sessions. The push-button ignition system guarantees reliable starts every time, simplifying the cooking process. Number 4. Nexgrill Deluxe Two-Burner Propane Gas Grill. The Nexgrill Deluxe Two-Burner Propane Gas Grill is a versatile and powerful outdoor cooking solution designed to meet the needs of both casual grillers and barbecue enthusiasts. Boasting dual energy conversion capability, this grill can easily switch between propane and natural gas, offering flexibility in fuel options. With an impressive 401.1 square inches of total cooking space, it provides ample room for grilling various dishes simultaneously. The grill's highly durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and resistance to the elements, making it a reliable choice for years of outdoor cooking. Packing a punch with 28,000 total BTUs of fire roasting energy, this grill delivers the heat necessary for perfect sears and thorough cooking. Number 5. Dynaglow Two-Burner Natural Gas Grill. The Dynaglow Two-Burner Natural Gas Grill offers a powerful and efficient outdoor cooking experience for natural gas equipped. With a 10-foot natural gas hose included, this grill requires a plumbed connection to your patio or deck, ensuring a continuous fuel supply. Boasting 319 square inches of primary cooking space, it can accommodate up to 15 4-inch burgers, while the total cooking area of 445 square inches provides ample room for various grilling needs. The grill's equal-height technology ensures even heat distribution through 2 stainless steel tube burners, delivering a robust 24,000 total BTUs for optimal cooking performance. Cast iron cooking grates offer superior heat retention and transfer, allowing for perfect searing and consistent cooking results. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.